Okay, students, you are in the lesson fraction and you are learning the word problem of fraction. See, I will tell you what problem of fraction will be very tough to you unless you understand. You have the complete conception on fraction. What problem? How much you are giving? Some of the fraction you are giving to someone, and then you are left with something, and out of the leftover you are given to someone some portion. Finally, how much you are left with. So all these things, no, you have to have the complete conception on fraction. That is why recently these all sums that I will implement all this knowledge to solve. You will be able to definitely. Question number 16. I have taken question number 16 says to you, Miss Rima spends some half of the money in a shop, and then she spent 1/3 of what left as a bus fare. See, what I will know. See, here's fraction of money he spent in the shop is half. Now, see, from the leftover he has spent. She has spent 1/3 from the leftover. So, what is leftover? After I spend 1/5, how much I have leftover? 1 minus 1/5, that is 4/5. Could you understand that concept? That is very clear. So, since leftover will be 1 minus 1/2, that is half. Could you understand? Whatever fraction you are spending, out of that, how much is remaining? You have to subtract from 1. So 1 minus half is equal to half. See, leftover with half. Now, the basket she spent 1/3 of the remaining of 1/3 of the leftover. Leftover is now half. So 1/3 of half he has spent on basket. Therefore, she spent on basket fraction of money. She spent on basket is equal to 1/3 of leftover. That is 1/2. That is 1/6. Now, portion again. After spending basket 1/6, how much is leftover? Now, from subtract from 1. How much you are remaining? You are remaining with half. From there 1/6 you are spent. So now the portion leftover will be half minus 1/6. Half minus 1/6 is 1/6. Could you understand? Half minus 1/6, 6 will be the LCM. Then divide by 2 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 6/6 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, so 3 minus 1/6. So 3 minus 1/6 is left over finally after spending the basket. So she is left over with 2/16, 2/6, which is equal to 1/3. So 1/3 portion is finally left over, the amount left with is ₹20 and fraction left with is 1/3. It's not according to question. Additive means according to question. 1/3 is equal to this 20. 1 is equal to how much? 1 always represents total. So 1 is equal to 20 into 3, that is 60. So Rima initially has at the beginning is equal to this 60. I hope you have understood. First, how much she has paid on shopping, that is half. How much is left over? 1 minus half, that is half. Out of the leftover only she spent 1/3. So how much she spent on basket? 1/3 of half, that is 1/6. Now after she spends basket, how much is left over? Definitely from how much she was with her. From there only 1/6. So 1/2 minus 1/6, that is equal to 1/3. That 1/3 portion finally she is left with. That 1/3 is equal to 20. Therefore 1 is equal to 20 into 3. That is 60. So she was beginning at rupees 60. Okay, now moving on to question number 19. Question number 19 says to you that this question is very important. A small vessel is used to empty the oil from the big container of oil. Could you understand? See, the small vessel capacity is 3/50th of all the oil content there. Total oil content, how much is the volume? No. The small vessel can contain 3/50 of it. Could you understand? Now 3/50 of it, small vessel capacity from the 3/50th of the larger container. Could you understand? That small container is small vessel is used 15 times to empty this. 15 times it drain out, it took out the water, oil from the larger vessel. So in 15 times, how much volume of water that small vessel could take out? That is 350 into 50. That much, how much will be left over? 1 minus that. Okay, so small vessel is 350 of the volume of the oil contained in the larger one. That will write down. Small vessels is 3 by 50th of the volume of the oil contained in the larger one. So whatever the oil capacity was there, small vessel capacity is 3 by 50th of it. Could you understand? The fraction of oil taken out by the small vessel in 15 times, because 15 times it could take out the water, oil. So 15 times how much capacity of the water is taken out, oil is taken out? 15 into 3 by 50. 15 into 3 by 50 will be 9 by 10. How? See, 15 can cancel. 5 3s and 5 10s. So 3 into 3 is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 of the part is oil is taken out. How much oil is left? Total oil is how much? 1. So fraction of the volume of the oil left. Fraction of the volume of the oil left is equal to 1 minus 9 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10. I hope you have understood. This question was a little confusing. If you understand, it's clear. I hope now it is clear. The last question. Fraction. Last question says to you, Mr. Bose gave 2/3 of the money to his wife. This is a very confusing question. Mr. Bose first gave 2/3. Fraction of the money Mr. Bose gave to wife is 2/3. Now, out of that 2/3, his wife has given to his daughter how much? 3/4. So fraction of the money, fraction his wife gave to his daughter is equal to 3/4 of 2/3. Because whatever his wife was having, out of that 3/4 given to the daughter, no. So wife was having only 2 by 3. So that fraction of money that wife given to daughter is 3/4 part she has given this same in the question. 3/4 of the money given to daughter. That means 3/4 of 2 by 3, because 2 by 3 only she was having. So 3/4 of 2 by 3, that will become 3 will be cancelled with 3, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 parts here, wife has given to the daughter. Now, whatever the daughter was having only half. Out of that, no, she had the 2/3 of the money is stolen. 2/3 of the half is stolen. 2/3 of half is stolen. So that means 2 will be cancelled. So 1/3 of the money is stolen. So daughter was having how much remaining? Daughter initially was having half. From there 1/3 is stolen. Don't subtract from 1. Now you have to subtract from half only, because the daughter was having how much? How much fraction of money? Half of the money. So half minus 1/3. So fraction of money left with the daughter will be half minus 1/3. These two LCM will be 6. Divided by 2 will be 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus this one divided by 6 will be 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 minus 1 is 1 by 6. If you solve this one, it will be 1 by 6. Finally, the daughter was having 1/6 of the money. And then say daughter was left with 30,000. So is not this 1/6 is equal to 30,000? 1/6 according to question, 1/6 is equal to 30,000. Therefore 1 is equal to 30,000 into 6. It will multiply. Then 30,000 into 6, 1,50,000. So 1 represents the whole. So total money Mr. Bose was having at the beginning will be 1,50,000. You understand? Things you have to do time and again, then only you will be able to understand. I hope you are understanding and you will be able to solve.